Hey guys, how you guys are doing? My name is Vishantan and welcome to my channel. And I'm sorry for the messy background though. I was too excited and I didn't want to wait until I cleaned up and inform you, so I wanted to inform you guys right now that the new movie Tannen is finally out, and I and my friend, both of us, we are going to go watch this movie right now in the cinemas and give you guys an instant review. When I say instant review, it doesn't mean that right after I come out of the cinema, so like after you watch the film, get back home and give you guys an instant review. Okay, so it is the 26th of August. The show is at 6 p.m. Now it's roughly, I think, 5 plus, so I need to go and fetch my friend and head right to the cinemas. So it's going to be a vlog review this time. Darshan! 5 minutes, okay. Well guys, now we're at Darshan's house. My friend, I'm going to watch this movie with him. He's as much excited as I am to watch this film. And yeah, it's 5:30 now, so we still have 30 more minutes before the film starts. So he's getting ready. He's wearing a shoe, I guess. Alright, and he's coming. Excited, Machi?
Very excited.
Awesome. Alright guys, so we are finally here. We are finally at Cheras Central to watch this film. And after 6 months, no, I think roughly 5 months, the lockdown started in March. So yeah, to be exact, it's 5 months. After 5 months, we're coming back to this mall to watch a film here. So damn psyched about it. So is this the first movie for you here after the lockdown?
Yeah.
First movie. Yes. Right, thank you. Looks like my friend is having problem purchasing the ticket. It'll take a while. I'm very excited. First day, first show. Apparently in Malaysia, it's the first day that this movie has released, and the first show is at 6 p.m. and we are going to watch the show. So excited. Can't wait to give you guys the review after the film. 5 minutes later. Ongoing. Just to distract you guys for a while. As I said, the first show at 6 p.m. After failing to purchase the ticket from the machine, my friend finally decides to come to the counter. Apparently, I think I'll be heading to the hall first because my friend's ticket problem just got solved, and he's getting free popcorn according to his package that he purchased. So and they only said there's only one advertisement and it's already 6:01, so I don't want to waste time. So let's head to the hall first.
Mau number 6 ya, sir?
Okay, thank you.
Kawan you dulu.
Nanti dia akan datang. Alright guys, so the movie just ended, and can you see Darshan? Please tell me what is that.
Hey, good. Very good.
The movie just ended, so now we are going to head out of the hall and go to my home. We're going to give you guys the review that you're waiting for. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Now we are ready to give you guys the review for Tenet. This is Darshan, my best friend, and we watched this movie together. As you guys know, I told you guys that I am going to give you guys the review after I go home, but unfortunately it's raining outside and I came by bike, so we decided to give you guys the review here. It's in a mall, so you will hear a little disturbance here and there, but try to
Ignore it.
Ignore it. Yes. Okay. So now, Tenant. It's going to be a raw review because we did not do any research about it. My friend here was the one who was really interested to watch this movie, and he was the one who built that interest in me. So I said, okay, let's go and watch it. It's going to be a great movie. And the director of this film, what's his name again?
Christopher Nolan.
Christopher Nolan, right? So I heard that most of his movies, I mean, all of his movies are very unique, and this guy is a big Christopher Nolan fan. So, yes, now when it comes to the review of the film, I would say that the whole story of this film is very, very complicated. It's not easy to understand. So watching it once is definitely not enough to give you guys a complete review. But I'll tell you guys what was running in my mind, and he'll share what was running in his mind. It's actually too complicated. There'll be these two characters. One is what's the main hero's name?
Robert Pattinson and the black guy. I don't know who's the.
I only know Robert Pattinson because of Batman. So basically, there's two guys, and one guy comes from the past to the present to help the other guy out to basically save the world. It's actually like a end of the world, preventing end of the world kind of story. So, what is your take in the film? What did you understand the film A to Z?
Okay, honestly speaking, that it's a 2.5 hours movies. So it was really interesting. Yeah, it was really interesting because it's not a time travel movie. It's a time chronological movie where you can go reverse and also you can go forward. So it's about reverse and forward. That's what the movie is about. In one word or in a simple word. So what I understand from Christopher Nolan, if you watch his previous movie like Inception is about lucid dreams. Interstellar, it's about a black hole, wormhole. It's about space. So this time he touches about the time. So when he touches the concept about time, so it's more complex. So when we watch it, we honestly speaking, it was interesting. Was not boring at all. But I have no idea what is the story about. I need to rewatch again. Maybe
a couple of times.
Maybe a couple of times. Maybe 2 to 3 times to understand the story. The depth. Because the story doesn't stay in one place. It switches to another mode, to this mode, and to that mode. So it makes you feel like what's going on. Makes you feel like interesting, but fortunately, when the movie ends, I was like blanked. we both are blanked.
I think everyone in the theater hall was blanked.
Yeah. We have no idea what the movie is about, but it's not it's of course there's definitely something in this movie, so we need to dig it, and also we need to able to understand what is the time. So because I know Christopher Nolan is not just a normal director like other usual director like how Avengers or other DC Comics directors. So I believe that there's something in this movie. Maybe when we decode it, maybe if you watch other decode YouTube channels, maybe you will able to find the movie story more better and clearer.
True, that's true. Because
but to be honest, I'm still not able to understand the story also.
True. I understand bits and pieces of the story whereby it's like basically it starts in a different way. It starts in I think the main character he's a secret agent or some undercover agent.
Yeah, it's undercover.
Yeah, basically they have this whole this squad team.
It's about secret society. They're working under secret society, but everything's secretive. But one thing, we are not sure what is going on.
Yeah, basically this time travel, this time reverse and forward concept is actually what they're trying to say is from the future. It's already developed generations and generations forward, and they managed to find it at this current moment. So there's no clear explanation of how it was formed and what is the source of it. Like if we take Avengers for an example, Doctor Strange has a locket, the stone, to time to what do you call it? to
To
change
ta-
time, to make it go forward or backward. So he has that time stone. Yeah, time stone. It was time stone. So we know that is a source for him to play with time. But in this film, we cannot come to a conclusion that what is causing the time travel, what is causing the time chronology, which goes backward and forward. It's very very complicated because everything seems to be going normal, and there's just one area where this time chronology happens. So and they go back to that point like a few times, and suddenly the bullets which is supposed to shoot forward goes backwards. So it's unpredictable what is going to happen, and we can't come to a conclusion. I'm still very very confused.
So, but there's something in this movie that we need to decode. So, what else to say? Watch it. Of course, definitely worth watching. There's a lot of practical effect rather than graphics. So, to be honest, out of 10, I will give it 10 out of 10 because it's not really simple. It's not really simple to take this kind of movies. So, I have to appreciate Nolan's hard work. But compared to Interstellar and Inception, of course, Tenet might disappoint you a bit. But overall, it was a nice experience. Yes.
It
nice.
might disappoint you because it is very complicating. You can't understand the story in
Yeah.
one watch. Because Interstellar, it is easy to understand one watch, but this movie definitely you have to watch it a few times to be honest. So I too can't give you a clear explanation, but I would give it a 10 out of 10 for even managing to think about a story like this. It's awesome.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So do watch this film, and there's a lot of complications in this film.
I have to rewatch again to understand the story.
Yeah.
I have to rewatch. Maybe if we are able to find the decode means, then we will share it out. Maybe, who knows?
Yeah.
But
maybe.
definitely there will be a lot of decode videos will be coming soon in the YouTube and will be trending all over.
Actually, I'm looking forward to watch all the decode videos
Yeah,
because this is
me too.
it's too difficult to understand.
It's too complex.
Too complex.
The screenplay is too complex, and also what do you call that? We don't know which is the past, which is the present, and which is the future.
Yeah. But there's one thing I can tell for sure, that if this movie really runs well, if they manage to make this movie a hit, there's definitely going to be a sequel in this film, because it's not complete. The story is not complete. There's still a lot more to go. Basically, the hero has another chapter to unveil. I think that's about it for our review, because I feel like it's more like a discussion and a little explanation about the story, and giving you guys a proper review because it's a very intelligent story. It's not a typical story to easily give you guys a review. So, but I would definitely say go and watch this film. It's really worth watching, and even though you give your 100% focus to the film, you will definitely miss 80% of the story. I mean 80% of what is actually going on. You have to watch it a few times to, I think, pick up another 20% to get to 100. So yeah, thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.